Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it. And here, find the option called the haptic, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have different levels of vibration. We have off. Basically, if you select this option, the vibration will be turned off. We have standard. Come on. Standard and strong. Select the one you like, and once you select it, press on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.